All right, so final conclusion. It's definitely the VVT Solenoids, especially the front bank. This one sounds like a PCV valve should sound like. It's bad. So it probably couldn't hold pressure, and that's what was causing to throw the timing off over and over, and a really bad misfire and bad idle. But I mean, that thing is shot. The other ones, one of them has a slight audible noise. Can't really pick it up on the phone, but those really nothing. And funny enough, they're all very similar. That's off of a 2.4 liter when I did a timing chain in the bottom end recently, just where it holds it. So something common to go. It is a moving part, and over the years, especially because it goes off of the oil pressure, the oil either is neglected or just high mileage. It's something that needs to be replaced. So keep that in mind. If you have a check engine light to see what it's going for. This also had for the crank, which ended up being correlated, of course, but was only being thrown since that one was failing. It was throwing off the crank sensor too, since it wasn't getting a correct reading or proper voltage or whatever to it. So glad to have it figured out. Was able to use junkyard parts, which is even better, recycle some more. And the ones used did have an indentation, so I don't know if original equipment or they were replaced possibly once. But the engine it came out of looked really well maintained and taken care of, really clean on the inside. So glad to have it all figured out. Y'all have a great day.